To add an item, copy the item link from your browser, then right-click the app window to add it. Click the refresh button to get current prices and check for deals. Items count down as they are completed. Price changes, deals, and other info appear in the refresh column. Items can be filtered by item description, brand or store name, price decreases or increases, coupons and promos, or out-of-stock items. Items matching the filter will be refreshed. This is useful for getting price updates and checking for deals on specific items. Otherwise, all items will be updated if no filters are selected. Alerts are desktop notifications that appear if a price is outside a set limit. Set persistence to play alerts only once, or have them adjust with price changes. Specific alerts apply a dollar amount limit to a specific item. Alerts can be set for any price changes, or for limits under and over the most recent price. Default alerts apply a % change limit to all current and future items that do not already have specific alerts. A new % change value can also be set at any time, and all default alerts are recalculated with the new value.